I picked out a sweet green pepper from Jewel Osco. And actually 2 big old red peppers from Jewel. But you can do 2 green, 1 red, whatever.
I really don't care what you do.
Lots of limes in this dish for that extra twangy spice. No, not really.
Very nice. And last but not least,
big badass jalapeno. We've got all our goodies in place. Let's start cutting.
ready to do this? You're going to want to take the top off and then just scoop out the insides, like they do on the Food Network. I need a sharper knife for Christmas.
There you have it. Gonna take our chopped steak and season that now.
For all you PETA members, I did not show the seasoning of the meat. Then I sprinkled some lime on that meat, and we're going to marinate it in the fridge for a couple hours.
There's our meat.
To the fridge it goes, on top of our veggies. And the rest is easy. We throw these into the frying pan with some olive oil, get them nice and brown, then we throw our meat in there, fry it up, throw it in one of these bad boys, and then you enjoy the food with that too. Gonna fire up our stove, throw some extra virgin olive oil in the frying pan. Get that nice and hot.
You remember these guys.
Yum. No, this always reminds me of a game we used to play when I was a kid, where we'd put on goofy sunglasses and eat green peppers as fast as we could.